SOLID is an acronym for 5 principles that help you structure your code in a way that's easier to maintain, extend, and debug. Let's dive into what the single responsibility principle is all about. The single responsibility principle, or SRP, means that a class should only have one reason to change. In simpler terms, each class should focus on one task. If a class is responsible for multiple tasks, like processing payments, sending emails, and logging data, it becomes harder to maintain. If one part of the code changes, you risk affecting the others. Here's how we apply the single responsibility principle in practice. We separate each responsibility into its own class. Payment processor handles payments, email sender handles emails, and logger handles logging. Now, each class has a clear, single responsibility, making them easier to manage and modify without affecting others. Think of SRP like a factory worker who specializes in just one task. Imagine a worker who assembles car parts. If they only focus on that one thing, they can do it quickly and efficiently, without worrying about packaging or shipping. In the same way, SRP encourages us to make each class responsible for one thing. By specializing, we make our code more efficient, maintainable, and easier to understand. In summary, the single responsibility principle helps us write cleaner, more maintainable code. By ensuring that each class has only one responsibility, we make our code easier to understand, modify, and extend. Remember, one class, one job. Stick to SRP, and your code will thank you. And say goodbye to spaghetti code.